Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, luxury rigid boxes market was valued at $4.37 billion in 2023 and is anticipated to register a CAGR of over 4% over the forecast period of 2024 to 2032. The market will cross $6.5 billion valuation by 2032, as per a report by Global Market Insights. Growing interest of people in rising disposable incomes, e-commerce expansion, and brand differentiation are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on material, in 2023, the wood is the fastest growing segment forecasted with CAGR of over 7%. Based on packaging type, in 2023, the hinged lid box segment accounted for the largest market share with over 29% shares as this GMI report. Regionally, Europe holds around 30% of the cycled tourism market share in 2023. Key players in the luxury rigid boxes market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.